Everybody, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Nationwide Building Society customer service. Firstly, open any of the web browser. And next in the top, there's this address bar, type out nationwide.co.uk and enter it. And once inside this homepage, in the top right, there's this help icon. You need to select this. And from here, what you need to do is scroll a bit down. If you need any help with your online banking, payments, and transfer or other option here, you need to simply open to this. You can also go to this online banking help here. And from here, you can select for the topic of your, if you find any relatable topic here. And after that, you'll get this instruction over here. And if you still need more help, what you need to do is you need to go up and over here, there's this contact icon. Select this contact. And from here, you can simply message or give us them call. Over here, you need to call to this number, which is 0347 302011 for personal banking, which supports within the UK. And support is available from 7 days a week. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.